Good morning, guys. Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and a great question came in on the Total Knee Replacement Support Group from Facebook. This individual member was asking, what is it like to have the staples removed? This person has 48 to 50 staples, and they're scheduled to have their removal this coming Tuesday. So while I have never had a total knee replacement, I have removed staples. I have been involved in the staple removal process. I can tell you that, generally speaking, most of the staple removal is completely pain-free. Occasionally, there's a staple or two that's embedded a little bit into the skin. The skin is stuck to it. But I've seen many individuals who have had their staples removed, and every single time they have felt better after the removal process. The removal process itself is generally pain-free. There's just not a lot of complications that happens with it. Sometimes there might be a little bit of bleeding. Sometimes there might be a little bit of wiggling, but for the most part, I've never heard it described as anything worse than uncomfortable at worst. So don't look at it as a negative thing. Get in there, get it done. You are going to feel better range of motion after those staples are removed. And I think it's usually a positive experience. Thanks so much for the question. I'll catch you guys on the next video.